Welcome to this video demonstration of the Watershed Delineation tool. This is just one of a suite of tools called NRCS Engineering Tools developed in ArcMap. This video is a product of Iowa NRCS intended for the use of NRCS, state and district employees and partner organizations. The two main goals of this video are 1. Raise awareness that these tools are available and that they can be used by new ArcMap users. 2. Demonstrate how the Watershed Delineation tool can be used to delineate the watershed boundary, compute the watershed drainage area, compute the average watershed slope, and develop the watershed flow length. ArcMap is a very potent tool among the host of technologies available to NRCS. If ArcMap is brand new to you, or maybe you've only seen others work with it, you might be intimidated and cautious about using it. It's fair to say that ArcMap, like a high-performance sports car, is not technology most people can simply jump into, master quickly and easily. However, if your work requires you to develop hydrology, contours, or stage storage, this software may be an alternative that will boost your productivity. Hopefully, the following demo will demonstrate this and be an encouragement for beginners to engage the tool. Current ArcMap users who are new to the NRCS engineering tools should be able to master them quickly. So the tools that will be used in this video are the Watershed Delineation tool, and beneath that are three principal tools called Define Area of Interest, Create Stream Network, Create Watershed. These are not new processes. ArcMap had all these capabilities prior to development of NRCS engineering tools. What this suite of tools actually does is automate a series of processes that the user previously had to complete one step at a time. They are similar to what a macro does in a spreadsheet. This means that the products these tools can develop can also be created outside the NRCS engineering tools, and you may hear users create the same products but in different ways. There are a few things to talk about in preparing to use these tools. There is a progression to follow in using the Watershed Delineation tools. They are numbered, and the user simply applies them in the order listed. When you initiate the Define Area of Interest tool, you will be prompted to select a workspace. This will be a folder that you browse to or create from the tool, and it will serve as the output workspace for your project. All the output files are stored in a geodatabase created automatically by ArcMap. It is this geodatabase that is placed into your workspace folder by the program. It is highly recommended that you choose a local folder without spaces or special characters in the path name. One option is to create a folder on the C drive called something such as Geodata or GIS. However you choose to manage your workspace, give some thought to the organization before you start your project. You can create your workspace folder prior to launching the tool, or from within the tool. It's helpful, though not necessary, to have a general idea what files you'll need for each tool and where to find them. For the Watershed Delineation tool, you will need the County LiDAR DEM file or the LiDAR DEM layer file. If the drainage area of your project covers 2 or more counties, the Clip Merge Datasets tool under the Utilities tool can be used to merge the data from those counties into a single file for use in other tools. That tool will be covered in a separate video.